Okay, so how to apply for and schedule the MBLEx. I'm going to walk you step by step through registration and scheduling. I'm going to talk about when you're eligible to apply, graduation versus during school. I'm going to talk about the steps that it takes to go through the application process. I'm going to talk about scheduling your test with Pearson VUE, which is the company that supplies the computers and the security in order for you to test effectively. I'm going to talk about how to choose your test date wisely. I'm going to talk about what happens after you apply. In the downloads, in this module, you will find your application checklist. Make sure and get a hold of that so you know step by step what to do. Most students can apply to take the MBLEx before graduation, but check with your state board or massage school for specific policies. Generally, once you've completed most of your massage therapy coursework, you're going to be able to take that exam. Your massage school will have to verify your transcript before you're able to schedule your test. Okay, so here are the steps to apply for the MBLEx. Step 1, go to fsmtb.org and create an account through the exam application portal and pay the exam fee, which is currently $265. I'm going to update this video when it ends up increasing. Step 2, complete the online application and pay the exam fee. If you're required to, you'll need to submit your official massage school transcripts. Otherwise, you can report the school that you went to into the application, and FSMTB will contact your school. The next thing to do after you have applied for the exam is to notify your school that they're going to be contacted by FSMTB and wait a few days for your application to be approved. Once you're approved, you'll receive an authorization to test, otherwise known as ATT, in an email from the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards. You use the link in the email to schedule your exam through Pearson VUE, VUE, the testing company that administers the MBLEx. You'll choose a testing center, a date, and a time that works for you. Give yourself enough study time before your exam date. Many students plan for 4 to 8 weeks of focused study time to get ready. Consider your school schedule, your commitments, your energy levels, and your study style. Taking the test earlier in the day is better for a lot of people, but you have to know yourself and when your brain works the best. Once you've scheduled your test, you'll get a confirmation email with your test date and location. This is when you start preparing and organizing your study schedule, which I'm going to be talking about in the next section. You can reschedule the exam if you need to, but there might be a fee and other charges that go along with rescheduling. So once again, check out that application checklist download that I have ready for you to help you step by step. Go ahead and print it out if you need to so that you can check off each step of the way.